Functions Part 4.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. See our first problem. F and G are two functions. Then find F circle G of x, G circle F of x, F circle F of 0, and G circle F of 3. So first one, F circle G of x. So this can be written as F of G of x. So what is G of x? So that is 3x minus 2. So substitute here 3x minus 2. So you know that f of x value is 2x square plus 3. But here in place of x 3x minus 2. So replace x by 3x minus 2. So that is 2 into 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Now this becomes 2 into 9x square plus 4 minus 12x plus 3. So clear, this is 18x square minus 24x, 8 plus 3, so 11. So this is the first one. And the second one, G circle f of x. So G circle f of x write as G of f of x. So what is f of x value? So that is 2x square plus 3. So right here 2x square plus 3. So clearly it is in the form of g of x. Now g of x value is 3x minus 2. Now replace x by 2x square plus 3. So that is 3 into 2x square plus 3 minus 2. So this becomes 6x square, 9 minus 2, 7. And third one, f circle f of 0. So this can be written as f of 0. So what is f of 0 value? Replace x by 0. Then it becomes 2 into 0. 0 plus 3. So you get 3. So what is f of 3 value? That is 2 into 3 square plus 3. This is 18 plus 3. That is 21. Okay. Now fourth one. G circle f of 3. So this can be written as G of f of 3. Okay. So what is f of 3 value? 21. So this is G of f of 21. So f of 21. So replace x by 21. That is 2 into 21 whole square plus 3. Okay. So clearly this is G of. So this is 882 plus 3. 885. Now G of x is what? 3x minus 2. That is 3 into 885 minus 2. So this is 2655 minus 2. That is 2653. So see the next question. If f of x is 2 and g of x is x square, h of x is equals to 2x, then find f circle g circle h of x. So see the solution. F circle g circle h of x. So yeah, this can be written as f of g circle h of x. Again this is f of g of h of x. So this is equals to f of g of, what is h of x value? That is 2x. So write 2x. Now f of g of 2x. So what is g of x value? X square. But here in place of x 2x, so replace x by 2x. So that is 2x whole square. You get 4x square. Now what is f of x value? Constant. 2 only. So clearly f of any value you get a constant. So because of it is constant function. So see the next solution. See here f and g are given. Then find f circle g of pi plus g circle f of e. See here pi and e are what? Irrational. Pi and e are irrational numbers. Okay. Now find f circle g of pi plus g circle f of e. So how to write this? F of g of pi plus g of f of e. So f of g of pi. So means here x is irrational. See the g of x function. Irrational means that is not belongs to q. So then g of x value is what? 0. So clear here. Pi is not belongs to q. So that's why value is 0. Plus g of f of e. So e is not belongs to q. So in that case f of x value is 1. So write 1. So what is f of 0? So clearly 0 belongs to q. Then that value is 0. G of 1. So clearly 1 belongs to q. So what is g of x value? Minus 1. So clearly this value is minus 1. See here next question. F of x is given. Then show that f inverse of x is x minus 1 by x. So see that solution. So what is f of x? 1 plus x square and so on. So see here common ratio is what? X by 1 is equal to x square by x. Therefore given terms are in GP. Therefore the given terms are in GP. But here terms are infinite. Then sum of the infinite terms are in GP. Then S infinity is equals to A by 1 minus R. So R is common ratio and A is first term. So A is equals to 1. Okay. Now this is what? A by 1 minus R. So what is this? F of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus R is what? X. Okay. Now you want to find the inverse of the function. So here for finding the inverse, let a given function is equals to y. So from this, what is x value? F inverse of y. Okay. So write f of x, that is 1 by 1 minus x is equals to y. Okay. Now 1 minus x is equals to 1 by y. Now what is x value? X is equal to 1 minus 1 by y. Okay. So that is, what is x? F inverse of y. So F inverse of y value is y minus 1 by y. Now clearly F inverse of x is what? X minus 1 by x. So this is the inverse of a given function. So see the next solution. F of x is 2 power x into x minus 1. Then find f inverse of x. So for finding the inverse, let given function is equals to y. So write let f of x is equals to y. from this x is equal to f inverse of y. Okay. So what is f of x here? 2 power x into x minus 1. So 2 power x into x minus 1 is x square minus x is equals to y. Now from this x square minus x write as log y base 2. Okay. So here if a power x is equals to y, then x write as log y base a. This is the formula. Now this can be written as x square minus x minus log y base 2 is equals to 0. So clearly this is the quadratic equation in terms of x. Now find the roots of this equation. So x is equal to minus b. So what is b value? Minus 1. So 1 plus or minus under root of b square minus 1 whole square, that is 1, minus 4ac. So 4 into 1 into this one. We get 4 log y base 2. So divide by 2. Okay. Now here you get two values of x, that is x is equal to 1 plus 4 log y base 2 by 2. But second one is what? 1 minus. You get 1 minus under root of 1 plus 4 log y base 2. So divide by 2. But here x values are what? Domain values. So domain values are a values, that is 1 to infinity. But here 1 minus something. So clearly this is not possible. Only this is possible. So what is x? F inverse of y. So therefore f inverse of y is equal to 1 plus under root of 1 plus 4 log y base 2 by 2. So therefore f inverse of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4 log x base 2 divided by 2. This is the inverse of given function. So see the next problem. Find the inverse of the following functions. So this is very important 2 marks questions. So here first one, f from R to R f of x is equal to ax plus b. See the first one, f of x is equal to what? Ax plus b. Now you want to find the inverse of this function. So clearly this is biaxial. So it represents a line. So it is biaxial. Okay. Now clearly inverse is exist. Now find the inverse of this function. So for finding the inverse, let f of x is equals to y. So from this, what is x value? F inverse of y. Okay. So f of x is ax plus b is equals to y. From this we have to write x value. So ax is equals to y minus b. X is equal to y minus b by a. So what is x value? F inverse of y. So this is also write as f inverse of y. So therefore f inverse of x is what? X minus b by a. This is the inverse of given function. Now see the second one. So what is f of x? 5 to the power of x. So for finding the inverse, let given function is equals to y. So let f of x is equals to y. Now x is equal to f inverse of y. Therefore 5 power x is equals to y. X is equals to log y base 5. Now what is x? F inverse of y. Therefore f inverse of x is what? Log x base 5. This is the inverse of given function. Now see the last one. So what is f of x? Log x base 2. So for finding the inverse, let given function is equals to y. So write let f of x is equals to y. Now what is x value? F inverse of y. So f of x is log x base 2 is equals to y. Now what is x? 2 to the power of y. So clearly x is what? F inverse of y. So therefore f inverse of x is equals to 2 to the power of x. So these are the inverse functions of given functions. So see the next one. F and g are given, then find these two. So see the first one. G circle f inverse of 2. So for finding this value, you want to find the inverse of f of x. See here how to write g of f inverse of 2. So this is equation 1. So now f of x is equals to what given? 3x minus 2. For finding the inverse function, let given function is equals to y. So let f of x is equals to what? Y. From this x value is f inverse of y. Okay. So what is f of x value? 3x minus 2 is equals to y. From this 3x is equal to y plus 2. And x is equals to y plus 2 by 3. So what is x value? F inverse of y. So therefore f inverse of x is what? X plus 2 by 3. This is the inverse function. Now from equation 1. So see here f inverse of x, but here f inverse of 2. So replace x by 2. So what you get? 2 plus 2 by 3. This is g of 4 by 3. Now replace x by what? 4 by 3 in g of x. That is 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. So clearly this is 16 plus 9. 25 by 9. Okay, this is the first. And second one is what? G circle f of x minus 1. So this write as g of f of x minus 1. So what is f of x minus 1? So replace x by x minus 1 in f of x. So you will get 3 into x minus 1 minus 2. Now this is equals to g of 3x minus 3 minus 2. You get minus 5. Again it in the form of g of x. So in place of x 3x minus 5. So replace x by 3x minus 5. So you get 3x minus 5 whole square plus 1. This is 9x square plus 25 plus 1. 26 minus 30x. So this is the second one. So see our next question. F and g are given. Then find f circle g whole inverse of x. So first you want to find f circle g of x. After that you want to find inverse of f circle g. See our solution. Consider f circle g of x. So this is what f of g of x. What is g of x? X cube plus 5. X cube plus 5. Now it in the form of f of x. So replace x by x cube plus 5. So you get 2 into x cube plus 5 minus 3. This is what? 2x cube 10 minus 3 plus 7. So what is this? F circle g of x. But here you want to find inverse of this function. For finding the inverse, let f circle g of x is equals to y. So right here, let f circle g of x is equals to y. From this, x is equal to what? F circle g whole inverse of y. But here, what is f circle g? 2x cube plus 7 is equals to y. From this, 2x cube is equal to y minus 7. So what is x cube value? Y minus 7 by 2. So x is equal to y minus 7 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. But what is x? F circle g whole inverse of y. So therefore, f circle g whole inverse of x is what? X minus 7 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So see the next one. F of x plus y is f of x plus f of y, and f of 1 is 7. Then you find summation r equals to 1 to n f of r. See our solution. So given condition f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, and f of 1 value is what? 7. Now you want to find summation r is equals to 1 to n f of r. So you want to find this value. But here summation means what? Sum of the terms. And here r values are running from 1 to n. So clearly this is right as f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 and so on f of n. Okay. So clearly you want to find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and so on f of n values. So f of 1 is given, that is 7. So using this you can find the remaining values. See here, put x is equal to y is equals to 1 because of x and y are real numbers. So what you get? 1 plus 1 f of 2 f of 1 plus f of 1. This is 2 into f of 1. Now put x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. So 2 plus 1 is f of 3 is equals to what? F of 2 plus f of 1. So what is f of 2? 2 f of 1 plus f of 1. This is 3 f of 1. Similarly, f of 4, you get 4 f of 1 and so on. F of n is equals to n into f of 1. See here, f of 1 is 7, that is f of 1, and f of 2 is 2 into f of 1, f of 3 is 3 into f of 1, f of 4 is 4 into f of 1. Similarly, f of n also n into f of 1. Now substitute these values in this. This is f of 1. What is f of 2? 2 f of 1. F of 3, 3 f of 1. And so on, f of n is n f of 1. So clear in all terms, f of 1 is common. So you get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. So clearly this is the sum of the n natural numbers. So you know that value is n into n plus 1 by 2. But what is f of 1? 7. So this is 7n into n plus 1 by 2. See here next one. Which of the following functions are injections or subjections or bijections? See here first one. F from 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity, f of x equal to x square. So here all functions are same, but their domain, codomain are different. So in first one, positive values. Here real numbers to positive values. Here real numbers to real numbers. Okay, that is the difference. Now see our first question. F of x is equal to x square. For finding the injection, see here f from a to b. A and b are positive values. I am assuming a is positive 0 to infinity, b also positive 0 to infinity. So consider two elements in domain. Therefore, let x1 comma x2 belongs to domain, that is closed 0 to infinity. And corresponding elements in codomain is what? F of x1, f of x2. That are belongs to B means 0 to infinity. So consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? x1 square is equal to f of x2 is x2 square. So actually you will get here x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. But here x values are what? Positive only. So take only positive. So clearly consider f of x1 equal to f of x2. Then you proved x1 is equal to x2. So therefore f is injection. That is 1. Next, for onto function. So here this is A and this is B. So relation is F. For onto function, consider any element in codomain. So what is codomain? 0 to infinity. This is B, this is A. So let y belongs to B. So here let y belongs to closed interval 0 to infinity, means y values are positive. Then definitely there exists some element in domain, that is x, means there exists x value. So how to write x value? From this, see here, for that f of x is equal to x square. Okay, so y is equal to x square. Consider f of x is equal to y. Now what is x value? Root y. Okay, so clearly root y. See here, it belongs to closed interval 0 to infinity. This is also positive. Okay, so therefore consider f of x. So what is x value? F of root y. So replace x by what? Root y. You get root y whole square. So clearly square root get cancelled. You get y. F of x is y. Means f is onto function. Therefore f is onto. From both cases we can say that f is bijection. Therefore f is bijection. Okay. So draw the graph of given function. So second method. So draw the graph of given function. F of x is equal to x square. See here x values are positive and y values also positive. If x is equal to 0, y value 0. If x is equal to 1, y value 1. If x is equal to 2, y value 4. So like this graph is. Now draw the horizontal lines. So clearly each and every horizontal line touches the given graph at a single point. In that case f is 1, 1. For onto function we have to observe the codomain, that is 0 to infinity. So means above the x-axis. So draw the horizontal lines above the x-axis. So in that case each and every horizontal line touches the given graph at least one point. Therefore f is onto. So from both cases f is bijection. Here second one, f of x is equal to x square, same function, but here domain values are real, but in first problem domain also positive. So that is the difference. See here, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. So consider f of x1 is equals to what? F of x2. So that is x1 square is equal to x2 square. From this you can write x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. So here x1 is equal to x2 and x1 is equal to minus x2. But according to 1 function definition, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. So then only f is 1. But here you get minus x2. So clearly therefore f is not 1. So for onto function, let's take some element in codomain. That is, let y belongs to closed interval 0 to infinity. So there exists x value, that is root y. So that are belongs to real number. Okay. Now clearly consider f of x. What is f of x? F of root y. So root y means root y whole square. You get y. So f of x is y. Therefore f is onto. So clearly f is not 1, but here f is onto. Okay. So clearly it is a surjection. Or draw the graph of given function. See here, second method. Draw the graph of given function. See here, what are the x values? Real numbers. X is equal to 0, y value 0, x is equal to 1, y value 1, x is equal to 2, y value is 4. X is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, you get plus 1. X is equal to minus 2, you get plus 4. So this is the graph of given function. Now draw the horizontal lines. Here the horizontal line touches the given graph at two distinct points. So clearly it is not 1, 1. Or both minus 1 and 1 having same image. Minus 1 is mapped to 1 and 1 is mapped to 1. So clearly both have same image. So in this case it is not 1, 1. For onto, each and every horizontal line touches the given graph at least one point. So in that case f is onto. So means what is the range here? Range is y values, that is positive 0 to infinity, and codomain also positive 0 to infinity. So codomain is equal to range. In this case, f is onto, that is surjection. So see the last one. F from R to R, f of x is equal to x square. See here, both domain and codomain are real numbers. Okay. So first, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. Now consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? x1 square is equal to x2 square. You get x1 is not is equal to plus or minus x2. So clearly x1 is having two images. One is minus x2, another one is plus x2. So clearly it is not 1, 1. Therefore f is not 1. Or see here, f of 1 is 1, f of minus 1 also 1. So clearly 1 and minus 1 having same image. Therefore it is not 1, 1. Now for onto function, consider given function is equal to y. Let f of x is equal to y. So what is y value? X square. So clearly x square, for every x belongs to R, then what is y value? positive values only, no? That is closed 0 to infinity. So clearly range is what? Closed 0 to infinity. But codomain is what? R. Codomain is R. So clearly range is not is equals to codomain. So in this case, F is not on 2. So therefore, F is not bijection. Okay. So for next session, we will discuss new concept.